can't believe she called me fat. I ain't fat. I just look fat. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, hell no. I'm overweight. I'm overweight. Woo!
So I bought my dogs a dog bed, and I couldn't figure out why they weren't using it. Turns out my cat took it over, so this is Scrappy, and Scrappy says, "Fuck your speciesism! This isn't a dog bed. This, my friend, is an oversized cat bed."
You checking on me? It's gonna be okay. What's wrong? It's gonna be okay. Are you sure? I don't think so. Be careful. Paul, I don't think you want to come in here. Oh, and now I've got this one? Kids, can I please have a minute?
I tried to scream.
I am under the water. Please help me.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then...
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Do!
And it went like...
A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I...
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.